YouTube, how's it going? This is D Graves here again, back with another video. Hope you're having a blessed day. And today we're going to be talking about a new traffic source called Solo Checker. They've been around for a long time, but the reason why I want to start buying traffic from these guys because for one, it's a bit more affordable. Okay, so you're getting top tier 1 traffic. 100 clicks for $40. That's not that bad for 100 clicks. You can go to a small market and the prices there will be less. So $16 for 50 clicks, you can't really beat that. But yeah, so let's say if you wanted to get like some large market, let's go to the large market. 1,000 clicks for $350. That's pretty good. So 100 clicks from the small market would be $33, about $30. That's not bad at all. Fairly good prices. They might have a referral program here at Solo Checker, but you might have to be an upgraded member. I'm not sure if they have a referral program. I gotta look into that. But yeah, Solo Checker is definitely a good option if you're just starting out, because you can get 50 clicks for $16. That's cheaper than Udemy. Yeah, that's cheaper than Udemy. And of course, you got Feature Ad Pro, getting paid to promote your business. Can't really beat that as well. So yeah, you got Solo Checker. And it's all about getting your traffic game up, guys. It's just mainly about getting your traffic game up. So you got Solo Checker, you got Udemy, you got Chris Clicks, which is about $5 for 1,000 clicks. That's not bad at all. You got MLM Leads, which is more converting, more high quality clicks for your website. And then you got Feature Ad Pro. So I will leave this link in the description. It just takes you to all the traffic sources that I have, and Solo Checker is the newest one. They've been out for a while. I've been hearing a lot about these guys, but I never really took the time out to see their prices. And it's free to make an account. It's free to make an account with Udemy, ChrisClicks, all these platforms. It's free to make an account. So just get that account started, and then review all the prices, all the orders and things like that, and then come back and see which one will be most beneficial for you, most affordable for you. It's all about your budget and things like that. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. And this is our last year being broke plan. Solo Checker, Feature Ad Pro. Thanks for watching. See you next video.